Good morning, it's Friday, the end of our second week of online learning. I'm showing you again our sight words that we've looked at this week. These are prepositions: on, in, under, over, next, above, beside, behind. These are just a few of the prepositions that there are. We're going to look at a book called Who is Up There? Who is up there? A preposition is a word that helps nouns work with other words. The purple words in the story are prepositions. Four friends are playing hide and seek. Scarlett says, "I will count by this tree." Here is the preposition: by this tree. You hide. William runs behind the hay bales. Ping climbs inside an old truck. Bernard thinks for a few minutes. So we see that William runs behind this hay bale. Ping climbs into the truck. Into is our preposition. She is climbing into the truck. Bernard thinks for a few seconds. For a few seconds. Okay, Bernard gets an idea for a good spot. He runs past the swing set. So this is Bernard running past the swing set and into the barn. He's going to run past, which is a preposition, and into the barn. That's another preposition. Ready or not, Scarlett calls, "Here I come." And I'm going to show you the words. Our prepositions are for, past, and into. Scarlett jumps over the wagon. She finds William behind the hay bales. "Found you, William," she says. The two friends run across the yard. They peek into the truck. "There's Ping," says Scarlett. So our prepositions are over, and this is Scarlett jumps over the wagon. She's jumping over. William was behind the hay bale. He's behind the hay bale. Behind is our preposition. The two friends run across the yard. These two ran across the yard and peek into. They're looking into the truck. And this says rustle, rustle. So they hear a noise up here. This is called a loft, way up here where the hay bales are. The three friends run around. Where? Around. The three friends run around the tractor. They look into the barn. They're looking into the barn. "Anybody here?" Ping yells. "I hear something," says William. "There's Bernard," Ping shouts. Then they hear a bump in the loft. In the loft. In is our preposition. "Who is up there?" worries William. "Is it a monster with big teeth?" "Let's go see," says Scarlett. So here they hear, this is the loft, remember, bump. Scarlett's going to go up and see what that bump was. There's the picture. It says they climb up the ladder. Up is our preposition. They look on the hay. It's Moxie. She had puppies. So Moxie is the dog, and we can see she has little puppies right there. So we have up and on are our prepositions. Okay, this says a preposition is a little word that tells more about a noun. It is the beginning of a prepositional phrase. A prepositional phrase can tell where something is. For example, in this sentence, they hear a bump in the loft. So that's where something is. It can tell where something is happening. William runs behind the hay bales. So that's where it is happening. It can show when or how long something happens. Bernard looks for a few seconds. So that's when or how long, for a few seconds. It can describe something. Is it a monster with big teeth? So those are prepositions. All those small words in purple are prepositions. We'll look more at that as we move on because those are sight words and they're important words for us to know. Next week we'll be looking at nouns and prepositions like it says here. A preposition is a little word that tells more information about a noun. All right, I've got an assignment for you where that you'll see posted that deals with prepositions.